We understand how time-poor individuals have become, and we can recognise that this often leads to the inability to maintain healthy eating habits. We want to eliminate all the hard work for our clients and deliver the highest quality meal prep service Sydney has to offer.
My name is Aled Barry.
And my name is Kimmy Hybell, and we are the owners of Bondi Meal Prep. Bondi Meal Prep has evolved into your local source of freshly prepared, healthy meals delivered straight to your door. Each meal has been specifically designed to include optimum ratios of protein, fats, and carbohydrates.
We strongly believe in sustainability, and that's why we've made all our packaging biodegradable and compostable, making us Australia's only biodegradable meal prep service.
We create delicious dishes for everyone, from personal trainers to bodybuilders to anyone just too busy to cook. We are here to do the work for you.